Hello and welcome back to AT Auto. We are at the launch of DGMS Safety Solutions for the mining process, and we are joined by Mr. Vinod Agarwal, who's the MD and CEO of VCV. Mr. Agarwal, welcome. What do you think about the launch? How do you see it integrating in the vehicles coming forward?
So first of all, I think this is very, very important from the safety point of view because when the trucks operate in mines, safety is very, very critical. And then the safety is basically, the most important variable factors in the safety. They are the first is the driver. Driver is most important. So here we are going to put the equipment, driver state monitoring status, which will tell that what is the status of the driver. Is he fatigued or is he having any sleepiness or anything? So then there is buzzers which they have provided, which will keep on going, and then it will give the warning to all the people around it that there is something might happen. And then there is a proximity warning. Anyone comes closer to the front side or back side, immediately the signals will go on. So therefore that is again very, very important. And of course this truck on which it is being put, this is one of the best successful truck in the coal overburden mining. And this truck has 50% market share in that application. So therefore when we put the safety systems like this, which are approved by the Director General Safety of Mines, I think this is very, very relevant for the customer. So this is going to be increase the productivity and increase the safety, and of course very, very good for the customers.
Thank you, sir. So, are we going to see it going forward? Are we going to see the safety solutions being integrated into most trucks and most systems?
Yeah, it will come more and more, starting with the mining.
Starting with
First, we are
mining,
putting in the mining truck, but of course, it can come in the haulage trucks also. Like the driver state monitoring is relevant even in the haulage trucks as well.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for the time.